What's up guys, we got the white STI here and we're going to go over some specs on this car since a lot of you were asking questions about it after our dyno video. We are actually going to be joined by the technician Jimmy who built this car.
How you guys doing today? My name's Jimmy from IG Performance. I'd like to tell you a little bit about this car today. Starting from the front, we have an ETS intercooler kit with a coil rad radiator and an ATI super damper. IAG Stage 4 tough block with IAG Stage 4 heads. Process West intake manifold, IAG TGVs, Cobb fuel rails and ID 2000cc injectors, which are powered by a radium dual pumper hanger in the tank. We have an ETS turbo kit with a 6870 precision turbo, a V44 wastegate that comes with the ETS kit. IAG Comp AOS with a custom mount to fit the Process West intake manifold in there nice and tight. The car also has an unequal length header because the customer had to have the rumble, and it's a very unique sound with this kind of horsepower. The car made 698 horsepower, which is very fast. It can make more, like I said. We have a custom mounted FPR right off the intake manifold, really stealth, looks really nice. With our IAG fuel pressure regulator gauge, it's a really nice touch, I really love those. Car runs really good on the 2000cc injectors, even on the 91 octane that the car is going to run on. The detail is incredible. If you take a look at any of the detail in this car in person, you would be definitely astonished by it.